Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language, and today we are going to start with your first chapter, that is revision. What you have done in your class 7th. Now let's start with the exercise. First it is you have to put an appropriate adjective in this, fill in the gaps. Naman has, you can write it a lot of, or enough, or you can write it no money to purchase a bike. Either you can write Naman has a lot of money to purchase a bike, Naman has enough money to purchase a bike, and Naman has no money to purchase a bike. Second one, it was really a long journey for all of us. You can write here long journey, or you can write it a tiring journey. Then the third one, Kamal needs sturdier, Sturdier, sturdier shoes. Fourth one, Zenith saw a historical monument last year. Fifth one, are there any green vegetables? Sixth, Kaushik brought some rice. Now, seven, nobody likes a selfish man. Selfish, selfish man. Eighth, I saw many decent people in the meeting, or you can say I saw many rich people in the meeting. Ninth, rich, or you can say decent. Then you can say that ninth one, Bhushan saw a beautiful painting. Saw a beautiful painting. 10th, Rohan is the smartest boy in the class. The word will be smartest. Now you have to put the articles here. First one, Mr. Joseph is a unique. Second, have you ever seen an ostrich before? I gave away the books last year. Then Martha is a generous girl. Fifth, our school is one of the most reputed school in the city. Then Ranjan got some extra work from the teacher. Pratyush is the only child. Eighth one, I received a letter from my grandpa. A letter. Dinesh is a benefactor. And 10th one, Jishan went back to the city again. Now C. Choose the most suitable preposition from the bracket, and Shreya went to Nainital. Boat sails on the river. Then third one is Mr. Bob is talking on the phone. Ganesh is conversant to his office work. Manish will pen down a poem. 6. The old man could chase the distance by. Then seventh one is it's been raining since morning. Shrijan condoled with Mohan in his where we went. And ninth one is the bees were buzzing around the bush and birds perched on the roof. Then exercise D, fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. The first one is the sums were tough yet, E-Y-E-T, yet Nisha tried to solve them. Second is either Mr. Lara, either E-I-T-H-E-R, either Mr. Lara or but he is honest. Prakash and his 5 friends is going for a picnic. Then I need neither tea nor coffee, or you can see I need either tea or coffee. You can write it here, either on neither tea nor coffee, or you can say either tea or coffee. My friend went to school by bus but came on foot. But then seventh one, I bought some fruit and vegetables from market. And now eighth, Mala is good at maths but not at English. Now ninth, Raj has gone early, so, and tenth one, you can say since it's raining, or you can say as it is raining you need to take umbrella. This is your exercise which you have not to do, it's not in a course. So that's all for today's session. Once again we will meet in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, read this chapter, follow this video, and have a nice day and take care of your health.